Boys and girls, please write your first name, last name, and date at the top of your paper. Word work. Answer the questions about the vocabulary words from your issue of Scholastic News. Vocabulary words are new words that you are learning. Which of these dogs is a Dalmatian? Is this one a Dalmatian? Is this one a Dalmatian? Or is this one a Dalmatian? Circle the dog that is a Dalmatian. Use your Scholastic News to help you. Question 2. What about a Dalmatian helps you know what breed of dog it is? So there is something distinct about Dalmatians, or unique or different, that lets you know that that is a Dalmatian. Please use a full sentence saying, I know it's a Dalmatian because... Question 3. When are you curious? When you are curious, you something. When you are curious, you are scared of something. When you are curious, you want to know more about something. When you are curious, you are new to something. Which one does curious mean? Again, look back in your Scholastic News if you need an example. Question 4. What does it mean when something is stressful? Is stressful fun and exciting? Is stressful calming and relaxing? Is stressful hard and tiring? Hand this into the finished work bin when you are done.